Hey everyone, my name is Chris Green, and here I've got a little soldering station from the company Weller. This is very much well known for their soldering components. I want to give you a brief explanation since I'm not somebody that is like a super solderer. I basically do it for my electric guitars or if I'm swapping out pickups. I very much need to repair a solder joint every now and then. I built a few microphone cables, but very much in the pro audio world, that's about the extent of me using solder. So this is a very nice little station set. It's got a nice little sponge area for you to clean the tip of your device here, your soldering gun. We also have a temperature control on the front. So as you can see, there's a knob there on the front. It goes basically from 1 to 5. Most of the time, it also depends on the tip. I do need to swap this tip out very soon, but if I'm working on something like guitar components, I'll definitely have it up on 4, possibly even 5. But again, if you have a fresh tip on your soldering iron, then you can definitely lower the temperature. It's just nice to have a good temperature control there. And then of course there is a basic on-off switch. Now, essentially you can hold your soldering iron there. You've got a power cable that is roughly, I want to say that this power cable is about 4 feet, maybe 5 feet in length. And it does have the 3-pronged ground on it there. Now the soldering iron itself, I'd say the cable, again, this one's probably a 6-foot cable or so, but definitely it's meant for more like a stationary setup. So if you're doing some basic soldering, like I said, anything relating to do with audio or just simple projects in your garage, I think this is a great kit for you to check out. This one again is from Weller. Thanks so much for watching. Now, if you want to pick up this soldering kit for yourself, I do have an affiliate link in the description of this video. Affiliate links don't cost you a penny extra, but it goes a long way to support the channel. So check the link in the description if you're interested in this.